Okay, just a short little update. The Set Power fridge is in, thanks to all the fellow YouTubers that posted reviews. This is the big bad boy dual zone. Let's hope we can figure out how to get it situated in the Jeep where it doesn't take up too much valuable real estate. Here's the insides. Got the little accessory box with the cords in it, basket. This is the deeper side. I should hold my Coca-Cola just fine. And of course, like so many other reviewers have pointed out, these lids are reversible so they can open from either the left or the right side. It actually has almost as much storage as my little apartment fridge that I was using at my shop.